Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by accessing Play Store and installing your new defaults. As you can see, I already did that, so I can go into Devices settings right away. In them, scroll down to Access Apps section. Then click on Choose Default Apps and tap on one of those options. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, you need to click on your new downloaded one and click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!